Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add stunning animations to your PowerPoint slides in 2025. Whether you're working with text, images, or even videos, animations can make your presentation much more engaging. Let's get started. First, let's add a title. I'll type in "The Lovely Parrot," bold it, and change the font to something that stands out. Now, to animate it, click on the title text box, go to the Animations tab, and choose an entrance effect. Let's use a fade in. Your title now smoothly appears on the slide. Next, let's animate a video on the slide. Click the video, open the Animations tab again, and select a style. For this example, I'll use a zoom effect, which gives the video a clean, polished entrance. Now, let's control the order of the animations. Click on Animation pane, and you'll see a list of effects. Drag the title animation above the video so it plays first. When you preview, the title fades in before the video zooms in. Simple and effective. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and adjust animations in PowerPoint. With just a few clicks, you can make your slides look more dynamic and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.